Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to talk about something that a lot of you guys ask me to do reviews on, and I really don't. I don't know why I don't. I just really don't do any reviews on my shampoo and conditioner. I don't know, I guess I'm more like about styling. Shampoo and conditioner are really important though. I will say, like, I'm not picky with my shampoo and conditioner, I'm really not. But you know, of course I've used shampoos and conditioners that just are not good for my hair. But I have to admit, the only time I really notice that is if like I was to go away and use, say, the hotel's shampoo and conditioner. That's what I'm thinking, because I'm always like, oh, all the shampoos and conditioners are the same basically, right? No. You know, sometimes it's just too drying. It does nothing to my hair. The conditioner is like pointless. Conditioner is very important to me. Shampoo, I shampoo my curls maybe once every 2 weeks. Why? Because I have very dry hair. It's dry, it's coarse, it's just in need of moisture. Today's video is sponsored by GK Hair. I want to thank them because they asked me to try out their shampoo and conditioner, and I thought it would be a good time for me to try it out, and if I liked it, share it with you guys and make a shampoo conditioner video. I'll say the reason why this product caught my eye as to wanting to try it, because it's infused with 100% natural keratin blend. Now, I had recently did a keratin treatment. It has Juvexin, natural seed oils, and plant and grain extracts. And I admit, I'm like, what's Juvexin? Juvexin is a keratin-based protein blend. It protects your dry, brittle, damaged, color-treated hair like mine. I mean, I have all of that. I have dry, I have damaged, I have color-treated hair. I have everything that you don't want. So I need to find products that help me keep my hair moisturized and protect my hair from the harsh environments out there. This shampoo and conditioner combination leaves my hair nourished and conditioned. Now, I did use the shampoo today, and I'm not going to use the shampoo probably for another week because I don't shampoo my hair every day. I just don't, but I definitely do condition every day. That I just feel like my hair needs that condition, the fresh condition, like to get rid of the product that's in your hair and then start fresh with clean hair. And I know you think, well, you don't shampoo, is it clean? It is clean. If you rinse all that product out under the water enough, long enough, you'll rinse out the product. And I don't use like heavy gels or anything. I just use creams, so it's not that hard to get product out of my hair. But by using this duo of conditioner and shampoo, it cleanses and it balances your natural pH levels, leaving the hair soft and shiny. So basically use this duo for balancing and repairing your hair, but it can be used. I'm using the conditioner every day. And again, I'm gonna make this video also to show you, because you guys asked me about shampooing and conditioning videos, but the reason I don't do it is because I feel like everybody knows how to shampoo and condition, right? Like, why am I gonna make a video on it? But I'm gonna do it. So I also love that it protects my hair color, because my grays come in fast, and obviously when you're constantly coloring your hair, I do bleach my hair, it damages the hair and it makes it frizzy. So basically when I'm in the shower, I mean, like I said, I think I'm doing the same as all you guys. I get a nice lather going, and I just like give myself a nice massage. I get in the scalp and I work my way down. And then when I feel like I've cleansed enough, I rinse it out. And the important thing is my conditioner for me, because my hair is just so dry and it sucks up that conditioner. And as soon as I put conditioner in, and I make sure through every strand, I use my fingers. You can use a comb. This actually I've had in the shower and I somehow got it in here, but you can use that if you want. I really don't. Once in a blue moon I will. If I'm putting a mask in, I'll use that, but otherwise your fingers are just good enough to brush through your hair. And then I let it sit while I do everything else, like cleansing and shaving or whatever it is. The last thing I do when I get out of the shower is rinse the conditioner out. Now you can see even when this conditioner was in my hair how already it moisturized my curls. Now as far as styling, they have a curly cream which I'm gonna use, but this video is about the shampoo and conditioner. I don't have the cream on me, but they did send me their serum. I find it pretty. So this serum, now if you know me, if you know my videos, you know that a serum alone is just not gonna cut it for me. Not with this hair. I need moisture. I need a cream-based or anything actually. I'm not a fan of gel, but I'll use it. But serum alone is just not going to cut it unless I'm drying my hair straight. But what I did do is I put some of this serum in before styling my hair and using another product. I'm going to tell you something. I think I'm going to start adding the serum to my hair before applying any other product, because if I can get close to here, look at this shine on my curls. And I really think look at the definition too. I never get this. I usually don't get this using the other product by itself. And I'm thinking the combination of that with this serum is giving me really healthy hair. Plus, being that I use the shampoo and conditioner, I guess it really is an overall difference. Do I have a picture? I wish I had a picture of my hair, even just this morning or last night. I thought I ruined my hair somehow. I'm like, my hair is so damaged. It was so dry. And I'm like, did I damage my hair? My hair just looked, there was no curls left in it. Granted, it was because I put my hair up and I was stranded at the airport for 12 hours, but that's another story. Oh yeah, I don't know. I just was worried. So I'm very, very happy to see that my hair looks like this after using this product, because I was very worried that I ruined my hair. I'm telling you, this is from the serum. My kids are moving back in, 2 of them, 2 out of 3. And then the third one's coming back, I think in January. Maybe by then, the other 2 will be moved out by then. But, why not? I have the room. GK Hair. Hair taming system. Loved it.